California men pleading not guilty today to fentanyl trafficking charges.
Our Brendan Kirby has been on the story for us. And Brendan, the DA's office already calling this a record bust from Mobile County.
Yeah, it appears so, Byron and Lenise. Law enforcement authorities say that this was the largest fentanyl bust in the county's history. In fact, nothing else comes close. More than 3 kilograms seized. Prosecutors say Mobile County Sheriff's deputies pulled over a rental car for an expired tag on October 8th on Interstate 10 near the Dolphin Island Parkway exit. Investigators say a search turned up bricks totaling more than 3 kilograms of fentanyl, plus another 3 grams of cocaine. Authorities say the suspects are both from California. Leonard Solis was driving but had no license. He and Jeshan Fayez are both charged with trafficking fentanyl and possession of drugs. How much is 3 kilos of fentanyl?
It's equivalent to 1.5 million lethal doses that is right here in Mobile County.
Chief Assistant District Attorney Keith Blackwood said he personally handled the arraignment because of how dangerous fentanyl is.
As I said in court, when it comes to fentanyl, we're facing a real paradigm shift in illicit drugs because it is so dangerous.
Chase Dearman, the attorney for Solis, challenged Blackwood on his assertion that the seized fentanyl amounts to 1.5 million lethal doses.
I'm not aware of any kind of conversion chart for drugs to how many deaths, but there's no question fentanyl is very serious.
Dearman says his client should be presumed innocent.
My client is not guilty.
Mobile County District Judge George Zogby left the current bond in place, $1.5 million for each defendant, with a requirement that all of it be in cash. Dearman says that's unreasonable, noting that it's the same as the top bail set by the Alabama Supreme Court for murder.
My client didn't murder anybody. He should be entitled to a reasonable bond.
Because of the volume of fentanyl involved, if convicted, the defendants face mandatory sentences of life in prison. Reporting live from the newsroom, Brendan Kirby, Fox 10 News.